Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. A quick thank you to our sponsor, crypto exchange BITUNIX Trade XRP with no KYC and no VPN. The link is in the description below. We have the current state of the market. We have NASDAQ 100 officially in correction territory. Gold prices up 50% over the last 13 months. And so with gold moving up, we have the crypto market moving down. Gold and cryptos are correlated with each other. We have oil prices down 20% over the last 2 months. 10-year note yield down 60 basis points over the last 2 months. Crypto racing $1 trillion over the last 2 months. Markets now expect 3 interest rate cuts in 2025, which means that in 2025, we will see the markets go absolutely parabolic. As of now, we are in that bearish trend, and the market is pricing in a U.S. recession, guys. So many big things going on, but as documented by the institutions, 2025 is a bull market. We will see cryptocurrencies, altcoin season, all moving up. So as we said, guys, this is just the calm before the storm, the final liquidations before we see cryptocurrencies go parabolic. Now, it seems like Trump is responsible for all of this market volatility due to the tariffs, the trade wars, and we had Trump telling Powell to cut interest rates. Powell didn't do it, and now we had Trump trying to force Powell to cut interest rates by crashing asset prices. And the question is, guys, who will blink first? We'll either see the markets going down or Jerome Powell dropping interest rates, saving the markets. And I believe that we will see interest rates going down as set by the Kabbalah letter. We are expecting 3 interest rate cuts in 2025, which again, guys, is very bullish for the markets. And we can see we have the liquidations, Bitcoin long liquidations on all exchanges, and we have longs getting absolutely obliterated, and this is the biggest wipeout since the choke point 1 FTX meltdowns. Guys, be careful of leverage, and it is better to buy spot and hold in self-custody. Guys, again, as we said, these are the final liquidations before we see cryptocurrencies moving up, as the 1% don't want retail investors to get rich off of leveraged trading. So again, guys, please be very careful when you are leveraged trading. And we have from David Schwartz, we have a very interesting cryptic tweets. David says, partly cloudy followed up. And right now it is partly cloudy in the markets. And once the clouds clear up, we will see the markets moving up. And we can see through this tweet, we had David Schwartz confirming that we will see the markets moving up. So since we had a mass liquidation event happening, we should see the markets moving up, as Mr. Poole said, go up and never stop. And even Bubba is hinting at the markets going up. We have Day with Ma and Pa. This was back in March 9, 2025. So yesterday, and we can see, guys, we have an up arrow as well. So we have XRP Insider Bubba and David Schwartz telling us that we will see the markets moving up. And based on Bubba as well, we had the XRP price points. We have $10 by July 2022, $50 September 2022, $589 by November, $1,000 by January 2023, and $55,000 by November of 2023. Guys, will we see these price targets happening this month and in 2026? And as of now, taking a look at the markets are going down. Bitcoin trading at $79,000, XRP trading at $2.10, Solana at $120, and Ethereum at $2,011. We are in a bearish trend with XRP below the red line. And just another warning, we have Michael Saylor pretending to be a genius guru, even though he is not. He's one of the worst traders in history, making his money from deceiving people. And ever since he first bought Bitcoin, we have Bitcoin surging 900%, yet his total gains since 2020 now sit at a mere only 19.4%. So even with Bitcoin climbing up over 900%, Michael Saylor is only up 19.4%, and he could have invested in virtually any other asset and performed 10x better, especially in a 5-year span. So Michael Saylor is one big fraud, and we should see Saylor going bankrupt, his stock collapsing by 99%, and Saylor facing liquidation soon. And if we see Bitcoin collapsing, we will see MicroStrategy collapsing. If we see MicroStrategy collapsing, we will see Bitcoin collapsing. So this, at the end, guys, is just a ticking time bomb. And this mirrors the dot-com bubble scheme he attempted in 2000, which failed spectacularly. History is repeating itself. And back in 2018, we had Ripple stating that Bitcoin mining was centralized in China. We had Bitcoiners stating that this was FUD and Ripple is an enemy to Bitcoin. But guys, we can see we had the Bitcoin mining pool hash rate distribution by country. We have China controlling the majority of the Bitcoin mining pools, which means that China controls the Bitcoin network. USA is in blue, which comes in second place. And lastly, we have a major update with Japan taxes. We have Japan cutting tax on Bitcoin gains from 55% all the way down to 20% as part of broad cryptocurrency reforms. And we should see an update regarding with American taxes on cryptocurrencies as well. We should see no taxes on American cryptos such as XRP, which would be absolutely massive. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.